So let's first understand the concept of coprime factors. Now let us take one number, suppose 6. Now you know how to find out the factors of 6. Then 2 into 3. Next, let us take one more example. 12. 1 into 12 can be written as 2 into 6. Then 3 into 4. Now see, in case of 6, you have two pairs of factors, 1 into 6 and 2 into 3. Now, so 1 and 6, this will combine as one pair, 1 and 6. This is a combination of pair. That means the pair is something like this. If you multiply the two numbers, you will get the original one. So those are known as pair of factors. Now in this case of 6, you have two pairs of factors. This is one pair and this is the second pair, 2 and 3. Now coprime factors is that pair where the two factors does not share any common. Now 1 and 6, they also does not share anything common. But thing is that 1 is considered neither as a prime number nor as a composite number, and also 1 is the factor of every number. So wherever you will get 1 as the any of the pair, if you get 1, so this is not considered as a distinct pair. Now the only distinct pair here is 2 and 3. Now in this pair 2 and 3, they does not share anything common. So that means this pair is known as coprime factors. So coprime factor means if they does not share anything in common, that means they don't have any common terms. So that means coprime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Similarly, in case of 12, already I have told you wherever this can be, you cannot take into account this one. Next 2 and 6. Now 2 and 6, 2 is a factor of 6. So that means they are sharing something common. So this is also not considered. Now remaining is 3 and 4. And 3 and 4 does not share anything in common. They don't have common terms. So that means coprime factors of 12 are 3 and 4. Now why this is important? Because whenever you have to find the divisibility test of some numbers like 6, 12 that we are discussing now, you have to look for coprime factors. And if you test by the coprime factors, the rule says if they are divisible by two numbers, then a given number is also divisible by their product. Suppose in case you have to check the divisibility by 6, and you have got some number which is divisible by 2 also and 3 also, then product of these two, that is 2 and 3, is 6. So that means the given number is divisible by 6. So let us take one example. Suppose test the divisibility by 6. Test the divisibility by 6, and the given number is 2, 6, 1, 4, 5, 4. Now as you know, the coprime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So that means you have to test this number by 2 and 3. So let us see. The number was this one. So coprime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So last digit is, by divisibility rule of 2, last digit is 4. So that means the given number is divisible by 2. 2, 6, 1, 5, 4 is divisible by 2. Nextly, for 3, we have test by 2, now we will check by 3. So for 3, sum of the digits, 2 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4. 8, 9, 14, 18, 23. But this is not divisible by 3. Thing is that whenever it has to be divisible by 6, it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. In this case, it is divisible by 2 but not by 3. So that means this given number is not divisible by 3. So remember, not divisible by 3. So remember, whenever it has to be divisible by 6, it has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. In case, if it is not divisible by any of these two, then it is not divisible by 6. So that is the concept of coprime factors. So that means a number has to be divisible by that number when it is divisible by both the coprime factors of the divisor. So that's all.